How to contact Figma support. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to contact Figma support. If you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to log on to your Figma account. Once you've logged in, at the top left corner of your screen you see the main menu. Figma is basically about design, where you can make beautiful designs for your loved ones, for your clients, because here on the Figma website you see a lot of necessary tools that you need for design. So it's very easy to make a design on Figma. So once you click on the main menu, a drop down will be displayed on your screen. The first option here says back to files. Then the next options are file, edit, view, object, text, arrange, vector, plugins, winget, preferences, library, get desktop app, and the last one says help and account. Once you get to help and account, you pass a little, then a drop down will be displayed on your screen. Here the second drop down that has been displayed on your screen, you see the help page. So this is where you're going to contact Figma support. You click on the help page and you'll be directed to Figma virtual agent where you can communicate with. You can scroll down the page. The first thing you see is hello. The first word says, hello, how can we be of help? So you can find answers and inspiration on all things Figma design and Figma Jam. So you see the search box just after the hello, how can we be of help? You click on it, then you lay whatever complaint, whatever question that you have. You can type it in. If you have an issue using the website, you can put it in. If you have a question, you can as well do that. So once you're done with that, you click on enter on your laptop, and once you click on enter, you wait for responses or to your questions, or the answers to your question, or instructions. So ensure you read thoroughly for you to be able to follow the instructions that will be given to you by the Figma virtual agent. So this is simply how to contact Figma support. Thank you.